G'day guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the roof racks or roof bars on your Subaru Outbacks. Now this is probably going to be the same for the majority of the years that have these sort of like roof rails here that protrude up a little bit, which are awesome. So do you have these? A lot of people think I need aftermarket roof bars, but in fact these actually, I'll show you in a second, but these actually twist all the way around. So if you don't actually want roof racks, these will sit flush to here, or if you want aftermarket bars that are going to be a bit higher, a bit longer, you can bolt them to these when they're sideways as well. But the main point of today's video is to show you guys how to adjust them. So you've got different mounting holes on your roof bars. You've got these ones here that I've already got them set up here and here, and then if you notice you've got a spot here, a spot there. So if you got a spot here for this one to bolt into, and then on this one you've got this to bolt into that one, and the same on the other side as well. So it's very easy adjustable. You can kind of move them as you see fit. We've got a ski pod down there, or a roof box or roof pod, whatever you want to call them, so I actually had to adjust mine to be able to suit where those mounts sit on the roof box, because I had it all the way back here. So when I actually sat on the roof, it sat up away from the mounts. I'm just going to show you how to adjust those and what tools to use. Very easy, very straightforward. Subaru have made it very simple to be able to adjust them without actually running aftermarket roof racks. Another reason I prefer these over aftermarket roof racks, they actually sit a lot lower. So the aftermarket ones, if you bolt these on, aftermarket ones onto these, they sit a bit higher. Also more wind drag, more wind noise, stuff like that. These are very close to the roof, which I love, very sleek. So all you'll need for today to do this is a T30 Torx bit or a star drive, whatever you want to call it, and either a socket or a ratchet, whatever you want to do, and that's all you'll need. Very easy, very straightforward. To loosen, pop it in. Loosen it up, pull it out, and you see how long that bolt is. So they'll go all the way through to your roof and bolt straight into the roof itself. So on this little cover here, where you want to move it to or from, has got the same size Torx bit cover on it. So all it is, it's just pretty much a plastic cover or plastic insert that will cover up that hole. So if we move around to the opposite side, so now on the opposite side of the car, you'll see that we don't have that same Torx bit on this side. Now this one, it's really easy. You got two little clips on either side. What you got to do is pull that up. That releases the tension. Pull that up. Move it across to where you want it, and lock it in place. See how that one's already locked in place? So we just shifted it from here to there. And to bolt it back on, you get your original nut that you had in there. Shift it to there. And do it up. And it's done. So we just shifted it from this position to this position. We've moved it back probably 10 or 15 centimeters. Now on this other side, you'll notice that you don't actually have a bolt hole on that far side. This one is just for when you want to rotate it. So this is for if you don't want to have roof racks on your car, you can just pretty much hide them away. That one will go in that hole there, and that will go like that. Pretty easy. And that will sit exactly like that. Obviously that one will be taken off, rotated the opposite way for a nice flush look, and you just do the same. Unclamp that, fold that in, how it's got that little mechanism there, that's what locks it in. up, down, lock that in, bolt it back into that hole there, and do the same with the other side. And that will give you a much cleaner look if you don't want to run roof racks on your Subaru Outback. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Very easy and simple video. When I first started putting my roof pod on, I thought I was in for a hell of a time on how to try and fit these, but Subaru has made it very easy and simple on how to actually adjust your roof racks and gain the most out of your gain the most out of your roof racks from factory. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you like this video, please let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has helped you when working on your car. Thanks.